Hi, it's Miss Carrie from the Centerville Library. I miss seeing you at story time, but I wanted to show you one way that you can bring story time to your own house. Remember these? We use these egg shakers during our story time songs to keep the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or sometimes just to make some noise during our songs. If you don't have one of these at home, there's lots of ways that you can make one for yourself. Have a grown-up help you get the supplies together, and then you can start making music. There are lots of things that you can use to put inside your eggs. Like I have macaroni, or I have some little beads. You can use lots of things, anything that's small, like dried beans, or rice, or maybe some little pebbles from outside. Try different things and see if they make a different sound. To make your shaker, you can use something that opens and closes, like a little Easter egg. So there's the bottom with the macaroni inside it. Oops. And there's the top. If we close it up, shake, shake, shake. That makes some noise. Or you could use a little box, like this one. This used to have mints inside it, but now it's got beads. And if I close the lid and shake it up, yeah, that sounds good. Do you think that sounds good? You can also use other stuff that you might have around the house. Like what about this little cup? If I put some macaroni noodles inside here, I bet this would make a shaker. But what do you think will happen if I try to shake it and it's open like that at the top? That's gonna be a disaster. So this is my shaker that I made out of a cup, and I closed it with a piece of paper at the top. And then I taped it really, really good on all the edges and all the way around so that when I tip it over, nothing falls out. Because if everything falls out, you'd make a big, big mess, and you don't want to clean that up. But do you think it will make a shaker? Let's try. Yeah, I think so. That will work. Something else you could try is this paper plate. You can fold this in half, like that, and then put stuff inside it, staple it all the way around, and then put tape over the staples so they don't poke your hands when you're shaking it. Alright, I've got my plate here. Do you see all those staples? They go all the way around. But on the back, it's kind of pokey, and it might hurt my hands. So, I've got some cool bright red tape, and I'm going to put tape around the edge so that it doesn't hurt me. And there we go. I put tape all the way around it. Looks a little messy, but that's okay. And you can decorate it if you want. You could draw on your paper plate. Now, do you think it'll shake? Let's find out. I like that. That sounds really good. When you've got your shaker eggs ready, you can use them to sing lots of songs. I hope that you guys have fun with your shaker eggs too, and come visit us at the library to check out a book for your at-home story time. Bye!